All right, so many of you may be familiar with the story of the baby who was stolen from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital earlier this year, remember that? You may have also heard that the baby was found, thank God, largely in part because of this lady here. Tamar Blake is the heroine behind that child's return, and she recently received her badge of gallantry at the National Honors and Awards ceremony, and she's here with us this morning. Hi, good morning to
Good
you.
morning.
It's good to have you here. You walked in like a ray of
Thanks for having
sunshine
me.
on a cloudy day. Let's start with the present and then backtrack. Tell me what it felt like to receive your award, your honor, badge of gallantry.
Well, I was elated and still elated. I'm still in disbelief, still in awe. I'm wondering if this is really me, pinching myself to wake up to the reality, but I'm not sure if it's happening yet.
When they called you, what you thought? When they called and said, "Hi, Tamara, we're going to award you this Heroes Day."
Well, I actually saw it on TV. And you were talking about it, you and Delia, yes. I was like, huh? You called my name.
Oh, wow.
So, oh, you just called my name. And then I saw my name on the caption. I was like, okay, it's actually happening.
Did you ever think you were going to win a national honor?
Never. I dreamt of it as a child. I mean, it was my pleasure watching persons walking up to collect their award, and then I used to practice what they were doing, the shuffle and the salute and all of that. But I never know that this is a situation that would have taken me on that platform.
Yeah. Let's
Yes,
talk
I'm
about the
very
situation. So you've been reading about this, hearing this on TV, because it really was big news.
Yeah.
This person comes up. Tell us what happened. She came up to you at work. What happened?
Okay, so she came in with the baby, of course, saying that the child was born in the hospital but was not registered. She was questioned. Of course, the responses that she gave was not on par, which raised a few red flags, and of course we just pursued the case further.
So were you suspicious from the get-go, or while you were questioning her you felt this is something's
When
not right?
she said her baby was not registered, I was like, not with bedside registration, but she seemed so legitimate, so we had to do our investigations. But then in the process of doing all of that, we realized that too many red flags, a lot of things were off, so we got even more suspicious.
So did she realize that you were picking up?
Not at all.
She didn't sense anything?
I gave her no indications.
Okay, so you just played along, and then when you got to a certain point, what did you do? You got up and you went, I think we read that you went to the back office and alerted. What happened?
Right. So I had to escalate the case to the CEO, and I got the approval to alert the police. They came in and they took it from there.
Wow.
Did you get a chance to meet the parents?
I did.
What was that like?
It was an ecstatic moment, seeing the baby, mommy, daddy together. That was just a moment that I really can't explain at this moment. They
Then
were
tomorrow
really
when you
grateful.
go home, you said this, and you realize it's that baby, that is the baby that everybody's been trying to find, and you say, "Me find the baby." What was that feeling for you?
It's a humbling moment. I am just happy that I was able to play my part. I mean, to see the whole family reunited is just my pleasure. They're happy, and that makes me extremely happy.
Yeah, we spoke to the father a couple of times on this show, and he was so broken. The difference that you have been able to make in their lives, they'll never forget it. And it just makes you realize that as Jamaicans, we all have a part to play. Don't turn your eye if you see something smell fishy, look fishy. Usually there's something up. And you can't wake up one morning and go to work a normal person and leave work a hero,
Yes.
a heroine.
Because she keeps saying, I was just doing my job, but then that just doing my job just became something extraordinary.
Absolutely.
So talk to me now when you reach in front of Gigi and you say, oh my gosh, this is really happening.
Oh, you look so lovely in your
Yesterday
red
outfit,
yeah.
no.
Thank
Talk to
you,
me, Tamara,
thank
talk
you,
to
thank you.
Yeah.
What is the preparation like? It's a big thing, you know?
I realized,
Yes.
She had
I
to go and do her
a-
rehearsals, right?
Yes, I had to do rehearsal and all of that. The whole shebang that comes with,
Yeah.
making the part. The world is looking on, so
Yes,
I had to
girl.
do my best.
What did your family members say?
They're also supportive. They're very happy that, I was able to do this bit. And for me, it was just me doing my job, like you said, but at the end of the day, this is how it played out, and I'm really happy, for the success of this case. And of course, it was not just me, because other persons had to do their little bit in terms of contributing towards the success of it. So
Team effort.
I must say, yeah, it was
Okay,
a team effort.
Miss Humble
And
2019.
thanks to those
Yes.
persons who...
Where does your award sit now?
It's at home.
Where is it? Have you...
No, I haven't done that yet. I want to find the perfect frame.
Gotcha. All right, Miss.
Miss.
Thank you very much.
Thank
It's
you
an honor
so
to meet
much.
you. Thank you
It's
very
my
much
pleasure
for what you did.
having me. Thank you so
The whole
much.
of us were vested in that story. So
Absolutely. Tamar Blake, recipient of the Badge of Gallantry for her actions in helping with the recovery of a stolen baby. Still to come on Smile?
more heroes from the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. We're going to meet some of the doctors who performed life-saving surgery on an unborn child. We're going to be back after this break, but first, we work for news.